Tẹ́ bá rí àwọn sójà tí wọ́n kó wọlé ní àná yìí. Kí ni rísì tí wọ́n fi kó àwọn sójà yẹn wọlé? Ó ṣe wá jẹ́ Ìbàdàn ni wọ́n kó àwọn sójà yìí lọ. Ó ṣe jẹ́ Ìbàdàn ni wọ́n kó ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ oríṣiríṣi àwọn sójà, àwọn ọlọ́pàá, àwọn civil defense, àwọn kódà àwọn NYSC ni wọ́n kó bíbà jáde lánàá. Máa fi fídíò yẹn hàn yín sìn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa.
The exercise around the metropolis of Ibadan, the Oyo State capital, is to physically and mentally prepare the men and officers of the military and paramilitary in Oyo State for the 2023 general elections, as well as create bonding among them. The garrison commander of the 2nd Div of the Nigerian Army, Brigadier General Nsika Edet, said the work exercise is aimed at creating strong tiers among all the security agencies in the state.
The main essence of this is to bring all the security agencies in the state together to form forces, to build that relationship, that synergy that we need from now onwards.
Brigadier General Unsikia and Commandant of the Oyo NSCDC, Michael Adaralewa, and Jima Moshood of the Nigerian Police says the 2023 election should be supported by everyone to enable the process succeed, affirming the readiness of security management agencies in the state for a transparent process.
Well, it will help us to cooperate with one another and also have more time to interact, and it will also help us to interact and know our respective roles that we're going to play during the elections.
We will only send signal to Nigerians that we can work together, we can be in unity, we can synergize.
And we'll carry on this into the election. The Nigerian Police Force, the lead agency, internal security and election security, has set the pace, and we are going to meet regularly at the command headquarters.
The exercise, which was well attended by all security agencies in Oyo State, also attracted the participation of some core members serving in Oyo State. Femi Amushon, AIT News, Ibadan.